Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to continue automating the test cases related to the logout functionality. So the test cases are the test case number 7 and other stuff. Okay. So let's see how many we can automate in this session. I'll start with the seventh one. Till the previous sessions we completed till 6, and in this session I'm going to start with 7. Okay. So let's begin. So let's understand the test case first. Verify logout from an account from a single place after logging into it from different places. Okay. We need to log into verify logout from an account from a single place after logging into it from different places. Open the application URL. User is logged in Firefox browser of your laptop or whatever the browser. Okay, some other browser. User is logged in with the same account of step 2 in the Chrome browser of your mobile device. Okay, so this particular test case we cannot automate, guys, because 100% test cases we cannot automate, guys. 100% automation is not possible. So here a lot of different devices and things are required here, which will not be possible, guys. Okay, this kind of test cases cannot be automated. So here we need to perform testing of this particular test case in a manual way rather. Okay. So we'll ignore the seventh one because it cannot be automated. It need to be tested in a manual way because it needs multiple sessions in multiple environments and all those stuff. Okay. So let's go with the eighth one then. Okay. By skipping the seventh one, we'll go to the eighth one. And let's try to see whether this can be automated or not. Verify logging out and logging in immediately after logout. Okay. You have to log in, log out, and immediately log in. Okay, whether you are able to log in or not. Okay, open the application URL, and once the user is logged in, we need to click on my account and log out and log in immediately after, again with the same or different account details, and see whether the same or different account details should get logged in. Okay, so this is another test case, guys. Okay, after logging out, immediately you're trying to log in to see whether the application is allowing you to log in immediately after logging out is the test case. Let's see this. Let's see this is kind of can be automated or not. It can be automated, but how to automate? Let's see. Public void verify login after verify login after logout. Okay, just give some name, that's okay. And here write down at the rate test annotation, and simply write down priority is equal to 6, and here write down priority is equal to 6, and here write down here write down I need to log in first. Guys. Okay, in order to log in, right, here I'll create an object for the header options. Otherwise, or we can also do it from the landing page. That's not a big deal. Or we have this method landing page dot navigate to login page. Okay, landing page dot navigate to login page, and this will return you the object reference of the login page. I'll go to the login page here, login page, and after that is equal to, and here write down login page dot login to the application using valid credentials, like I'm going to give valid existing valid email here from the properties file I'm getting, and the valid existing valid password I'm giving, and put a semicolon here. This will log into the application and you'll get the object reference of the account page. Okay, account page account page is equal to, okay, once we do that, then once we got logged in here, user is logged in, we need to click on the my account drop menu and select the logout option. Okay, so here I'll say driver is equal to account page dot get driver. Okay, put a semicolon here, and then using that I'll create an object for the header options is equal to new header options, and pass the driver here, put a semicolon here, and here write down, here instead of writing the driver here, you can directly write account page dot get driver, so that one line will be reduced. Fine. Now simply in the header option, I'll select the header option and say dot, click on my account drop menu, and again say header options dot select logout option. Okay, this will log us out. Okay, this will log out. Okay, this will log out the application from the application. Select logout option. You will be taken to which page? Account logout page. Account logout page. Okay. So you see what we have done so far is we have went to the application, logged into the application. Once we logged into the application, we entered the credentials here. once we log in here, once we log into the application here, okay, once we log into the application here, the next thing here is, once we log into the application, what we have to do next? The next thing here is we have to click on my account and select logout option. And once you log out from there, once you log out from there, the next thing here is we are on this account logout page. And here I want to log in again. Okay, click on my account and select login option. Again, I have to click on, I need to get the driver and, account logout page dot get driver. Okay, get this driver here again. Driver is equal to, and create an object for the header options again. Header options is equal to new header options, and pass the driver here. Instead of passing the driver like this, you can pass this account logout dot get driver directly, so that one line get reduced. Fine. And now take the header options and say, click on my account drop menu, then header options, dot select. Okay, I need to log in, right? I need to log in. In order to log in, right, we can follow this process. That is header options dot select login option. This will take us to the login page. Simply write down login page here. Login page is equal to, and here write down login page. The login page, you just write down this part again. Copy this line and simply write down login page dot login to the application. Enter the existing email password, and this will return you the object reference of the account page. Okay, account page, account page. Okay, after logging out here, we are again trying to log in with the same credentials or different credentials, doesn't matter. I'm just doing with the same credentials. Okay, log in immediately after with the same things, and same should get logged in. So here we need to see whether we got logged in or not. How to see whether we got logged in? Here we can write statement like assert true account page dot is user logged in. That's it. Okay, this will prove whether the user has successfully logged in or not. Okay, save this. Okay, save this guys, and run the script to see whether it is working fine or not. Okay, so we have successfully automated the test, and if it need to be successful, it need to run, and we should get the proper results. Okay, we should get it passed. Okay, the results, then we can say it's successful. Logout again, immediately login to see whether the user is able to log in immediately after logout. Okay, verify login after logout is successfully automated and it's getting passed here. Okay, so this test case is completed guys. This particular test case is completed. And let's go with the ninth test case here. Verify account logout page. Okay, the next one is verify account logout page. So we have to go to the account logout page. How to go to the account logout page, guys? First we have to go to the application. Open the application URL, and we should get logged in first. Okay, we have to log into the application by navigating to the login page and entering the credentials. By entering the credentials and click on the login button, we have to log into the application. Once we log into the application, we have to click on my account drop menu. We have to click on my account drop menu and select logout option. After selecting the logout option, we'll be taken to the account logout page. In that account logout page, we have to verify whether we got the proper page heading. Account logout page heading is there or not. Then proper title should be there. Account logout title should be there, and the URL of the page should be correct. The URL should be correct, and also the breadcrumb. Okay, logout breadcrumb should come here. Okay, so all these things I need to verify as part of this, guys. Okay, let's see whether how to automate this. Public void verify breadcrumb title heading and URL of account logout page. Okay, like this, I'll write the method name, and here I'll write the test annotation and give the priority as priority is equal to 7. Priority is equal to 7, and here I'll start writing something like this. Okay, so landing page dot navigate to login page. Okay, and this will return you the object of the login page, guys. It will return you the object of the login page. Login page is equal to and here write down login page dot log into the application, and here write down prop.get property existing email, prop.get property existing email, and here I'll write down prop.get property valid password. Okay, valid password you have to write here. Put a semicolon here, and it will return you the object reference of the account page. And after going to the account page here, I need to get to the driver. Driver is equal to account page page dot get driver and put a semicolon here. Once you get the driver here, guys, once you get the driver here, simply write down, create an object for the header options to log out. Header options is equal to new header options. Pass the driver here, and instead of passing the driver like this, you can pass account page dot get driver directly here, so that it will return type is anyhow driver. That's okay. And after that is done, take this header options and we need to log out. Okay, we need to log out. Dot click on my account drop menu. Click on my account drop menu and then write down header options dot select logout option. So you see, once you click on logout option, you'll be taken to the account logout page. And here we need to do all the verifications. Once you are on the account logout page, we have to do all the verifications, guys. How to do all the verifications? First, I will verify the title of this page. Okay, title of this page. How to verify the title of the page? Asset dot asset equals, I will say asset dot asset equals what is the expected title I'm going to write here. Go to the properties file. Here you write down account logout title. Okay, account logout title is account logout is the title. If you see, this is the expected title, guys, as per the client requirements. Let's say this is the expected title. And also the another thing, account logout page URL is equal to, okay, here you can say page title otherwise. Okay, logout page title, account logout page URL should be this one. As per the expected result, this should be the URL of the logout page. Okay, this should be the URL of the logout page. And yeah, then account logout page heading. What should be the account logout page heading? Should be account logout only. It should be account logout. Okay, this is expected as per the client requirements. Account logout should be the expected heading also. And breadcrumb, I'll verify that. Okay, don't worry. Save this. Save these three items and copy this part. First of all, copy this part and write down the assertions here. That is, here write down prop dot get property this expected title. Okay. How to get the title of the page? In the base class. In the base class, guys, we already have created this in the base class. That is, the base class, there is a method for getting the title, guys. Okay. Get page title. Okay. Copy this method and it will return the title of the page. And here write down. And here we need to pass the title. How to pass the title here? How to pass the driver here? Here I'll write down header options dot get driver. Okay, that I'll pass and it will get the title of the page. And once that is done, or here you can see account logout page is coming. Account logout page is equal to, and simply write down account logout page dot get driver and get title. This is more better. Then asset dot asset equals, and in the asset equals, write down prop dot get property, and here write down the next one, that is account page URL. Account page URL. You just give that here. How to get the account page URL? For account page URL also we have something, guys, in the properties files here. Account okay, this account logout page URL actually here we have written, and in the base class, go to the base class and see to get the URL of the page, get page URL kind of method is there. Copy this method and provide that here and simply write down account logout page dot get driver. You can pass if you want. Okay, that's fine. The next one, asset dot asset equals, and here I want to get the I want to compare the page heading, get property of page heading. Here title is done, URL is done, heading, page heading. Go to here and get the page heading, guys. Where is the page heading? Here, account logout page heading. Copy this and come back here and paste it here. Okay, then write down get is there any method to get the page heading? No, I think so. So from which page I need to get the page heading? Account logout page, I need to get the page heading. Account logout page dot get. How to get the page heading from this page dot okay, is there any method here? Select login option and all. How to get this page heading from the account logout page? Go to the account logout page. Okay, so go to this. For example, these pages are there. For example, if I want, I would have already verified the register page heading. So, is there any method I created in the register page heading? Yes, I created the method like this. Okay, You see return register page heading dot get text like this. Okay. In the account logout page also I have to do the same thing. Where is account logout page? Account logout page, public string get page heading. Write down like this, get page heading, and create the web element that is page heading web element. I need to create private web element, page heading, at the rate, find by, how to get the page heading xpath is equal to, mostly xpath is equal to, and I have to inspect this and write down the xpath expression. So this element, and here it has an ID. Okay. Control F double forward slash div at the rate ID is equal to, at the rate ID is equal to, give that ID, and under the ID slash h1. That's it, right? From the h1 I need to get the text. Copy this and here write the xpath expression here and simply provide page heading dot get text. Okay, and simply say return. Okay. Okay, if this gets account logout and it should get match. Okay, save this and go back here and write down account logout page dot get page heading. That's it. This part is also done, guys. Save this and what is the next one? Next one here is breadcrumb. We have to verify. In the account logout page, did we have the breadcrumb? Logout breadcrumb is already there, guys. We have to verify whether this particular breadcrumb is getting displayed or not. Or we can simply say public void. Okay, public void get bread. Otherwise, we can simply do one thing to see whether the breadcrumb is properly coming or not. Did we navigate to the account logout page? If you verify this, okay, then automatically breadcrumb is getting verified here. Okay, this method I'll call. So I'll simply say assert dot assert true, assert dot assert true, account logout page dot. Did we navigate to that? This internal method will have the breadcrumb being verified. That's okay. Okay, save this. Okay, that's it, guys. That's all we have to do. The script is completed. Let's run the script to see whether it is working fine or not. Run the script to see whether it is working fine or not. The test need to pass, guys. The test need to pass here. Yeah, the test got passed, guys. Okay, the test got passed here. Close all and open the logout.java and any other test cases left out here. Verify the UI of the logout option and the account. Verify the UI of the logout option and the account log. Open the application user is logged in. Click on my account drop. Select logout option. Okay. Proper UI adhering to the UI checklist should be displayed for the logout option, my account drop menu and right column and account logout page. Okay, it's kind of different here. That's okay. Proper UI adhering to the UI checklist should be displayed for the logout and these two things. I think these two items I'll be automating in the next session. Okay, there are some extra things that are required here. So, and also we'll be running the scripts, guys. Will be running the scripts here. Okay, in all the different browsers. As per the last test case, we need to run the scripts in all the browsers. So these two test cases I'll automate and show you in the next session. Okay. For now, for this session, this much, guys. I have automated these two test cases in this session. In the next session, I'll try to automate the another two test cases. Okay. So that's all for this session, guys. See you in the next session where I'm going to automate the remaining test cases. Till then, see you. Bye bye.